Hey everybody, today we are going to be checking out a Wonder Woman toaster. It's supposed to grow Wonder Woman logos into bread. So it's a neat little 2-slice toaster. That's what the front side looks like because the price tag ripped off the face of Wonder Woman. So I picked this up as a gift a long time ago. So it's never been used, as you can see there. So the person I bought it for, they found it while we were moving, and they said I should do a video on it. So I got some bread here. And let's set it to 2.5. Let's go 3 and see what it does. Did put the logo on the one side. That's a little better, but you gotta place it right on the little fins in there for the W, so then it lines out good. So that was just a neat little novelty thing, getting old Wonder Woman brand on your toast. Does not look anything like how they have it on the box, of course, but it is a neat little thing. It's something fun to do. So if you guys liked the video, hit the like button down below. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm to get the videos out to more people. Comment down below if you have suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I have a lot more content to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.